Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to supercharge your Windows 11 desktop with some eye-popping live wallpapers, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get stunning live wallpapers on your Windows 11 PC. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First things first, Windows 11 doesn't natively support live wallpapers, but don't worry, we've got a solution. To make your desktop come alive, you'll need a third-party app. My top pick? Lively Wallpaper. It's free, open source, and incredibly easy to use. Let's get it downloaded. Open up your web browser and head straight to the official Lively Wallpaper website. Or just grab it from the Microsoft Store. Type Lively Wallpaper into the search bar, select it from the results, and click Get or Install to download it directly. Now that you've got Lively Wallpaper installed, let's fire it up. When you launch the app, you'll be greeted with a collection of built-in live wallpapers. These aren't just any wallpapers. They're animated, interactive, and some even react to your system's audio. Simply click on any of these to instantly transform your desktop. But if you're looking for something uniquely yours, you can also import your own live wallpapers. Just click on the plus icon or Add Wallpaper. From there, you can choose a video file, an animated GIF, or even a URL from sources like YouTube to set as your live wallpaper. And it doesn't stop there. Lively Wallpaper lets you customize your live wallpapers to your heart's content. You can tweak the playback settings like frame rate and quality to suit your system's performance. You can even decide whether the wallpaper should pause when you're running a full-screen app or on battery power to save resources. To access these settings, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, you can fine-tune everything in 4 sections: General, Performance, Wallpaper, and System. Customize away and make it perfect for your setup. And there you have it. Your desktop should now be looking livelier and more dynamic with your brand new live wallpaper. Whether you stick with a built-in option or create something entirely unique, live wallpapers are a game changer for your Windows 11 experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tips and tricks. Got a favorite live wallpaper or another app you'd recommend? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.